Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can create a really easy wave effect for your video in Adobe Premiere 2019. And it's really simple. So what you want to do is have a clip in your timeline, go to Effects, right here Wave, like that. And you'll have it here, Video Effects, Distort, Wave, Warp. Take it and paste it on your video. And as you can see, it's right now like this, so we need to play around it. Wave height, change to 80. Wave width, change to, I don't know, 450. And as you can see, it's right now much better, but what is the really bad thing is those black lines here that you can see. So again, let's change the pinning to all edges. And right now, as you can see, it's really great, but it's not all. You can also change the wave speed if you want. 0.7. And yep. Best quality. You can also change it to the best, the anti-aliasing, and now you can change also direction. But I think the 90 is the best. So this is how you can make it. This is how you make the waveform, wave type. Also, you can use whatever you want. Triangle, but the sign is the best. What do you think? Yeah, circle is alright, but the sign, I mean, most of the people in videos are using sign, so use it too. Thank you very much, everybody, and see you in another video. And if you enjoyed this, you know what you can do. Subscribe to this channel.